Okay, I'm gonna try to clean this dirty motor. I've been told that tire foam will clean it. As you see, it's a little greasy down in places, all over here. Had a few leaks in here. Gonna have to replace the battery, but I already got a new battery. But okay, I was told you just spray this on liberally all over, get a good coating on it, let it dry, and then you can either wipe it off or what have you. But not much to do when you're done. But might wipe it off just so that it looks a lot cleaner. We'll come back in a little bit, see how this cleans up. I gotta clear a lot of junk out of the car. Putting the tire dresser on all the black. We'll see how that cleans up. I also put it on the windows. They were really yellow, and it looks like they're actually cleaning up. I'm going to take this to a car wash and get it washed and see what it looks like. As I said, I might be selling this car. Just give it a nice dressing look and a clean look. I got to empty all my stuff out of here, put the battery in. It's been sitting for months. We got 3 other cars right there. We got 2 more CR-Vs and a Miata. So that's 4 cars, plus my daughter's car is a 5th car. We just don't have enough room for all of this. So paid about $3,500 on it a little while back, but it's just been sitting here, not getting any use. But so I'm just gonna take all my stuff out, clean it up, and somebody's gonna come look at it on Friday. Actually, that's not a bad cleanup. Looks pretty good. I use it in a lot of places. Still some oil and grease. I didn't run any water or anything on it. Probably gonna put some simple green and stuff like that and just wipe the oily places down. I think I found my leak for sure. It's that power steering canister. I guess where the hose connects isn't a good connection or something, because I've replaced that canister for sure. I replaced the power steering pump for sure. Replaced that power steering pump high pressure hose on this baby also. It's going to have a new battery, which I already got. It's just sitting in the garage. Brake fluid looks good. I'm going to get the oil changed because it looks like it needs it. Plus it's been sitting for a long time, and it's going to do some more cleanup on it and see what it looks like. And oh, by the way too, the tire clean did a pretty good job on those yellow lights. Guess if you put it on there and wipe it off after a little bit, it'll look pretty good. What I did is I took some off also, because the tire clean had left some little streaks in it, and it dried before I got back here, and took the streaks with the residue from the tire clean off. But man, those lights look almost brand new. Probably gonna do that on my 2008 CR-V and my Miata, 2007 Miata, because it's the lights are looking real old, and these look really nice right now. May not last long, but probably a good 5-10 minute cleanup with tire clean and maybe some off it if you still need it. It'll probably look pretty darn good.